Hello guys, today we're gonna installing and setting up our high-performance water chiller, packed with our cutting-edge sub-zero freezing chip and smart tech. Let's get it ready. First, unbox all the included accessories. Tools, a small pre-filter, 16 nuts, plumbing tape, a filter wrench, 4 caster wheels, a filter adapter, a condenser drain hose, the user manual, 2 filter cartridges, 1 pre-installed, and 2 water hoses. So here we go. Step 1, let's install the wheels. First, carefully lay the chiller on its side. See those 4 raised corners? That's where the wheels go. If there are any protective caps, just pop them off. Now grab the caster wheels and secure them with the nuts provided. Tighten them up nice and firm. Pro tip, install the locking wheels on the same side as the filter. That'll make it easier to keep the unit in place later on. Let's keep going. Step 2. While it's accessible, attach the condenser drain hose. Simply push it firmly onto the dedicated drain port at the back. This avoids hassle later. Step 3. Stand the chiller upright. Now let's check the filter. Use the filter wrench to loosen the housing by turning it counterclockwise. Once it's loose, unscrew the rest by hand. Inside you'll see the filter cartridge. Go ahead and peel off the protective film. If you ever need to replace or reset the filter, just put it back in and tighten the housing clockwise until it's snug. Step 4. Install the pre-filter. Remove the cap from the water inlet port. Check if plumbing tape is already applied to the threads. If not, wrap a few turns of the provided tape clockwise. Screw the pre-filter onto the inlet port. Following the flow direction arrow points into the chiller. Tighten it firmly by hand. Next, wrap plumbing tape on the threads of the filter adapter. Connect the adapter to the outlet of the pre-filter. Finally, connect one water hose to the adapter. Step 5. Remove the cap from the water outlet port. Check its threads for tape. Apply if needed. Connect the second water hose directly here. That's it for hardware setup. Double check all connections. Before plugging in, ensure your power plug matches your outlet. If not, you'll need an adapter. Once plugged in, press the reset button on the power adapter. This crucial safety feature protects against shorts. Power's on. Let's see the basics functions. Our chiller features 3 key temperature displays: ambient temp, current water temp, updates once connected, and your set target temp. Use the controls to set your desired cooling point. Hit start. You can monitor water flow here. Optionally, activate the ozone function. After about 90 seconds, the chiller will kick into gear, efficiently cooling your water. And you're set. Himalaya is committed to delivering the highest quality, most technologically advanced, and best value chillers on the market. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the cool.